Documentation information is key. All the relevant details which are defined in the Cyber Resilience Act, you have to provide and you have to maintain them, and at least for 10 years. Reporting, there will be a platform existing. You need to do an active reporting if there is an incident. There is a platform by the European Union which will be implemented, and conformity and assessment. Once you have done all those things which we're talking about, then you have to make sure, is it really done? So you have to verify all this. Important for you is that the obligations, if you take equipment and you buy this from another source and you implement this into your overarching machinery, that could be a production line, that could be a crane, that could be a locomotive, then you are considered as a manufacturer. So the distributors are really subject to the CRA only. It is not only the supplier, it is also the entire system you are providing to your customers. If you are an end user, if you are operating a machinery, you may think you are not obligated to follow the Cyber Resilience Act. And that is true. If you keep it in your own site, you keep it in your own facility, then you probably are not, as long as you don't touch it. If you touch it, and that is a machinery which you want to resell into the market, to bring it to a used market, secondary market, then you have to think about you make it available in the market. So if you do any modification, you have to make sure that this modification is done according to the Cyber Resilience Act, because you may break security rules. However, even if you don't do that, if you don't bring it to the market, if you still operate it in your site, if you do a substantial modification, so you change something very, very big in this, then you still have to comply to the Cyber Resilience Act. That is no question. So you have to make sure whatever you bring in, you change the cybersecurity, make sure it is really according to the Cyber Resilience Act. Otherwise, you will be considered in breach of that.